Guys, hey, look what just showed up out here at the place. He was on the road and broke down and needed a chain fix, so we helped him out, and I'm gonna let him talk about this bike in just a minute, because it's kind of a one-off, and maybe a one-off. Okay, what's your name?
My name's Asher. My name's Asher, and I'm from Florida, and this is it's a Halcyon 450. So it's like this company in Indiana called Janus, and they make like kind of like 20s replica bikes. But it was like a Honda engine, and it goes pretty. I was going 80, 85 some of the time. Most of the time I was going about 75. I didn't have any issues except for my chain blowing up, but it's not the bike's fault, it's my fault. So it's been really fun. It's really.
Tell us about the engine. That's the old greaves set up on the front of it. Yeah,
so this has like Earl's Fork kind of suspension, so it's not like, you know, modern suspension. It's the swivel points right here, and they're here, instead of, you know, traditional, which would be like right here. And when you brake, there's no brake dive at all. So it just kind of smoothly goes to a stop. There's zero brake dive. Even at 80 to 0, there's no brake dive. It's pretty fun. It's very stable. Weighs like 340 pounds or something.
Did you tell what kind of engine that was?
It's like a 400 XR or something like that, bored to a 450. It's
a Honda engine.
And it's air cooled. It gets pretty hot. You know, it's a 1-cylinder, so when it's like 100 out, like it is now, it's toasted.
Well, you got an oil cooler up there, though.
It helps. Sprung. It is a soft tail technically, like a Harley, and then it's also sprung. You know. So it's also a Springer.
Does this shock then actually work?
No, it does, yeah.
Okay.
So it's like a soft tail.
A soft tail, okay.
Yeah, like a Harley is kind of. It has 2 Icon shocks back there, and then you also have the Springer seat. And you can off-road a little bit. Nothing crazy, but you can go on you can do some dirt roads. All disc brakes, Brembo brakes. And I just put that new chain on it, it's a DID.
And where's it made?
It's made in Indiana. Goshen, Indiana.
So the frame and everything's made up in Indiana, and then you kind of cram whatever engine you can.
They cram that in there. But this is all made in Indiana. All the leather's Amish leather. They make it there.
Oh, cool.
It's all welded there. All the this is aluminum. All the blue's aluminum, and then painted. It's powder coated, and then all the pinstriping and lettering is all hand painted. Wow. That's all done by hand.